on YouTube? Welcome back to Clothing Guide, the Hoxton Trend. In today's video, I'm here in Zee Co's in Loughton. They're actually an online and store retailer selling menswear and women's wear, designer, luxury labels. Now, Zee Co's have 4 stores in and around London, so that's Ilford, Bowl, Angel, and here in Loughton as well. Now, the Loughton store is the only one that does men's and women's clothing, whereas the other stores only do menswear. For more items, you can always check them out online. Now, Zee Co's has been around for just over 30 years, which makes them one of the longest running retail independents in London, okay? So I'm super chuffed to be here. So I think the best thing is go around the store, check it out, look at the different brands. They got CP Company, Moose Knuckles, Canada Goose, Axel Arigato, and a whole bunch of other brands as well. Right, so the first section they got is CP Company, bro. You can see the stuff different. I like the pocket on the side. It's got that different material. I swear that's like a nylon material. This tracksuit's quite dope. Different.
It's a nice colour, isn't it?
They're very. I was just thinking that burgundy. So yeah, it's different. That's meant to sit around you like that, but you got to do the strap. But yeah, this is smaller than the one they released last year. They released another bum bag just like this, but it was a bit bigger. But I actually think I prefer this smaller one because you can just have it concealed underneath a jacket quite nicely. This is 105. I like that. I just picked these up, the summer edition ones, and these are the winter edition CP Company cargo pants. Really nice. These are 250, but the material, if you feel the material on that, it's a bit more thick. Nice, right?
Perfect for the winter.
Yeah, perfect for the winter, exactly. These are nice.
CP goggle on it.
Yep. And just see the Certilogo sticking out there as well. Got the Certilogo. So CP Company are starting to use Certilogo now, which is pretty dope. Yeah, and there's quite a few items in here that will be using Certilogo, so we'll check that out in a second. What do you think of that, bro? Different materials on it, right? So even this storm flap's a different material, so that's meant to stop the water from getting into the zip. Got a different material again from the storm flap on the arms there as well. And also we've got like I don't know if that's a nylon or a polyamide material on the outside, but that's really nice. Got a little nice hood there with a nice peak. That's pretty dope. Do you know what? I like the colour, and they've also got it in black. What would you rock? The black or the olive?
I would go for the olive one.
Do you know what? I think I'll go for the olive as well. It's got a bit more character on it.
What's the retail price on that one?
Retail on this is... See, they got the Certilogo.
See.
This is 625.
Can't go wrong with that.
Not too bad, huh? Right, what else they got? Do you know what? I quite like that. I just wouldn't know where I'd wear it.
It's a standout piece.
I just don't know where I'd wear that, that's all. Starting to bring out the shorts already.
Pay a lot of attention to detail. Too cold for shorts right now.
Way too cold. Do you know about Parajumpers?
No, bro.
I forgot where it's from now. I've done a whole video on Parajumpers basically. It's guys in the Arctic. Guys in the Arctic. I know they're using Certilogo. Yep, got the Certilogo in there. See it there? Got the Certilogo. So that's it, Alaska. So basically in Alaska they got this kind of rescue team, and they kind of dedicated the brand, they call them Parajumpers, and they dedicated the brand to this rescue team over in Alaska that kind of help people when they get trapped over there for whatever reason. But yeah, they come up with this brand there. But the quality of the jackets are actually really nice and quite well made. So for guys that are looking for something that's a little bit different, and this could be a good alternative. You figure that colourway is quite nice.
Yeah, it's fire.
Yeah.
I think these coats are quite nice because you don't see them every day.
No.
It's not like your regular Canada Goose or Moose Knuckles.
Exactly.
It's a bit different.
I like this one because it reminds me of, remember Alpha Industries?
Yeah.
It's got a nice weight on I think it's called the Golby. So you got that, look at that big chunky, look at the size of that.
Crazy.
Different. Got some Neil Barrett here as well. Do you know about Neil Barrett?
Not really, bro. I've only heard about it, but I don't know too much about it.
So Neil Barrett's an English designer, but all of his stuff is made in Portugal, so the quality is really nice. He tends to use a lot of like neoprene material. So if you check the material, feels a bit more, it's got like a thicker feel to it. So that's neoprene, but the stuff is super expensive, man. Very expensive. But I noticed a lot more people wearing Neil Barrett, so it's getting really popular now. Canada Goose, they've got tons of Canada Goose here. Forester jacket, got that extra paneling on the side of the arm, which is nice, so that's cool.
Yeah, it's different.
Their Canada Goose collection is nuts. Got the Emery Parker, which I've just done an outdoor test review on this jacket, and this is one of my favourite Canada Gooses, this one. Real nice. Got Canada Goose, that looks like the Macmillan Parker. So I've had one of those as well, that's nice.
I quite like that jacket, bro.
This one?
Yeah.
This is the Forester, and this is the 2019 colourway for Canada Goose. So this is a new colour. This has just been released, but yeah, that's really nice. Their Canada Goose are quite known for doing like camo graphic prints. So yeah, that's pretty dope. So Imperial Mine is another one of those brands that uses the Certilogo as well. So for example, in this piece, if you look inside where the wash instructions are, you can see, you've got the Certilogo. So again, you can check this online to make sure that the item is genuine. Again, I'm going to show you that in a second, how exactly you can do that. Anything that's kind of like fluffy like this, that's got that kind of, this is toweling. They've got this toweling material that I really like that. That looks nice. And again, it should have the Certilogo. So I'm glad to see that more brands are actually picking up the Certilogo, because it just means that it's easier to spot if an item is genuine or not. Right guys, so what I'm going to do real quick is show you how to use the Certilogo, because lots of people have been asking me how to use the Certilogo and how to do it properly. I'm on the Certilogo.com website. Literally, all you got to do is jump onto the website, and there's a number inside this jacket on the Certilogo, which is right here. But literally, if I put this number inside the Certilogo website, it's going to show me how to identify if this item is genuine or not. Right, let's do that real quick. So the number in here. Right, go through that process, put the number in, press go. Right, so I'm going to sign in with my email. So let me do that real quick. It's saying now I've signed in, so that's all good. Now it's asking me where did I purchase this product. So obviously I'm in store now, so I'm going to say the store. It's very important that you tell Certilogo where you got the item from. So if you haven't got it, you're going to have to say you haven't got it, otherwise that could mess things up. If you got it online from a website, then say where. If you got it from a store, say what store. And if it's a gift from someone, then just put down that it's a gift, so that the system needs to know where you've actually got that item from in order for it to work properly. So that's very key. Did you purchase this product? I'm gonna go no, because I haven't purchased it yet. So always tell it the truth. Is this the brand name of your product? So yeah, put that in. Now it's showing me some images. It says, does it have this Certilogo label? I'm gonna go yes. Done. Right, so it's saying we've just sent the results to my email, so I'm going to check my email and double check. Right, so I've just sent the email and it's come back as authentic, guys. Okay, so that is literally how you check if the Certilogo is genuine. Now you can do that with all the brands that Certilogo use. So Imperial Mine, Parajumpers, CP Company have that as well. Giuseppe Sonotti, they have that as well. So you can all check on those items. It's very simple. The most important thing is that you give it the correct information. Okay, so that's it. Let's crack on with this store tour real quick. Got the bar ball there as well. I'm actually a big fan of bar ball because I think their price points are really decent. And like for the quality, I think the jackets are really good. So this store is quite big. So this whole section here is like the menswear section, and next door they got the women's wear section. But yeah, let's check out what's over on this side. So here we got Kenzo. I know a lot of people love Kenzo. More Kenzo over here. Vivian Westwood here, bro. Some Vivian Westwood. I like this hoodie, man. A-Life.
It's that streetwear brand, higher brand. I've heard of it before, but I don't really know what it is.
Nah,
I've just seen the name, but
A-Life. Ah, they got AMI, bro. AMI's French brand, Paris. That looks really nice. And you know what? The puff on it is quite nice. Bro, look. Now, Moose Knuckles, I think the quality of Moose Knuckles is actually better than Canada Goose, quality-wise. Like, the material is really busted. It just feels like a heavier, more dense, feels like a more quality, dense jacket. So I'm actually a fan of the Moose Knuckles. The only thing I'm not sure about is, I just think some of their branding could be changed up a little bit, because I feel like the jacket is quite, I feel like it's quite a sophisticated jacket, but then when you see the detail, like on the inside, it just doesn't go with the branding in my opinion. This bit, even the cards, I think, could be a bit more premium. But overall, the actual jacket itself, really nice. Some good pieces. Do you know about Belstaff, bro? Belstaff, really nice. They do really nice jackets, man. They've been going on for quite a while now.
Nice coat for like your everyday wear.
Yeah, totally, exactly. And it's quite smart as well. The trainer section here, which has got lots of trainers, but literally online they've got more trainers, so you can always check out Zee Co to see what trainers they've got on their website. But in the store they've got all these different brands here. So for example, they've got this Axel Arigato, which I think is actually quite nice and a little bit different. So this brand seems to be doing some really big things at the moment, Axel Arigato. What's your thoughts on those, bro? Quite nice.
I like those, but I prefer the other ones.
What ones? These ones?
Yeah.
You like the yellow, innit?
Yeah,
I mean the orange.
4mm thing.
Okay, yeah, these are
quite
nice.
cool.
These are really nice. And they've got the Yeezys. Look at these Yeezys.
Yeezy 500s.
Bro, tell me about these trainers, man, because I don't know.
I've heard that they're really comfortable. I don't personally own a pair, but
Yeah,
I've
super
heard
comfy.
good things about them. And the thing that I like about them is they're not as bait as the other sort of models of Yeezys, so the 350s, 700s, etc. They're still bait, of course, because they're Yeezys, but they're a bit more low-key if you're trying to get something that's a bit more undercover, you know?
I just picked these up in a different colourway, but I'm actually looking for the white ones. The only thing I don't like about these is this 3M bit here. I wish they left that out, to be honest, but these are actually really nice.
But I guess they've done it because it's 3M in it, so it's a bit unique in a way, because it's called 3M, the actual material, so I kind of like what they did there.
So you like that bit?
Yeah.
I'm not too sure
It's a
about
bit
it.
different.
I feel like less is more.
True.
But I do like them though, and they're mad comfortable as well. So guys, that is it for the Zee Co store tour. If you're local to the area, I think it's worth checking out, passing through to see what they're saying. Also, if you're not local to the area, you can also check them out online and catch any deals and sales that they got coming up for the January sales. I'm sure they're going to be doing some really cool bits around about then. Guys, that's it for the video. Lots more coming. Back again. Peace out.